Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door catch for your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the door won't stay shut. For this repair, all we'll be using is a short screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So we're going to open up our door here, and right here you can see our door catch, and to get to that we're going to have to take this front piece off. So we'll close the door up again. So I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's our little short stubby guy because we're dealing with an awkward angle and not a lot of space. Now that we've got those front screws off, the bottom's hanging freely, so you can just pull out, and there are a couple clips up top which should just pop right out when you angle it a bit. So you see here there's a couple of wires attached, so you don't want to really pull the whole panel off too much, but we'll open up our door here now, and right here's our door catch. So to get the door catch out, what we're going to do is we're going to push on the plastic edges, and I'm just using a screwdriver to help a little bit. And once you've got one side through, you also want to pinch in on this metal clip here in order to get that out, and push down on the top plastic. And once you've done all that, the catch should come out. We've just got a little bit of this clip stuck on here, so without pushing it back in too much because we don't want to get it locked back into place, we're just going to push the metal and there we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door catch. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And in order to put the door catch in, all you have to do is just find the hole and push the catch right into place. It'll snap into place, and now you can put the whole thing back together again. And now we're going to want to put the front panel back into place. To do that, we're going to just do the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to pick it up and angle it a bit, and just tilt it back until you hear both of those clips snap into place. Then you should be able to close it up. And now we can screw the bottom back in. So you're just going to want to make sure your panel is pushed in all the way. And once you do that, you should be able to get your screw started in the hole. There we go. And now we can just screw it back in. And once that's screwed in, you can plug everything else back in and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.